Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful couple painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. So now let's see the requirements of this painting. And these are the colors we are going to use in this painting. So in the first step we are going to paint the background. So I choose the color purple and mix the purple with white. We have this light shade of purple and I use my makeup brush and I am applying the color like in the shape of arch. So again we are mixing the color pink and white and we are going to apply the color in the arch shape. So in this painting we have a background like this, so we have to apply the color in a arch shape. So here you can see I am blending the colors with my makeup brush. So once it was done, we are going to mix the color pink and more with white to have this light shade of pink, and we are applying the color like the arch shape. This painting became a special one as one of my followers asked me to paint a couple painting in a pink and purple background. So I love this painting because of the idea of the followers, and I want to thank them here and thank you for this beautiful idea. So let's mix the color orange with white and let's add some yellow and blend the yellow with the orange. Now use the tape. And now let's paint the ground. So we are going to paint the same colors here for the ground. So I'm applying the color pink, and once it was done we are going to apply the color purple on the corners of this ground. And now let's mix the color orange and white, and I am applying here. So I am here using my flat brush to blend the colors, and also I am applying the color yellow and blend the yellow with the orange. So once the layer is completely dry, we can remove the tape and let's paint the stars. So this is the second step. We are going to paint some stars. So first I am painting some stars, and I'm painting the stars here and there, and I'm using my round brush to paint the stars. So once it was done, we are going to smudge the stars to the background, and I'm using another dry brush to smudge the colors. And once it was done, we are going to paint stars using my liner brush. So we are going to add some different size of stars, some big stars and very small stars. So for the small stars, I'm using my lining brush or my detail brush to paint this small stars. Also we need some stars that are sparkling, so in order to make the sparkling effect we are painting like this. In order to make this painting even more beautiful, I am going to add some clusters of stars. So I am using this toothbrush and splash some white paint on this canvas. So gently do this process. In the third step, we paint the couple. So we need to paint the outline of the couple. So later we can fill the outline with black. So that we need to paint the outline first. So I use this reference for my couple painting. So in this painting we are going to paint like the couples are dancing. So we are going to paint like this. If you feel uncomfortable to paint the outline of the couple using your paint directly on this canvas, you can also do something like you can also use the outline using your white pencil or black pencil and draw the reference on your canvas. Later you can draw with your paint and brush, and you can also use carbon sheet to have a reference on your canvas. Once we finish this outline, let's fill the color. So we are using the color black. Also use a very small size brush. So if if you are interested in learning or watching the couple painting, you can watch all my couple painting tutorial in my couple painting playlist. And if you are new to my channel, I am Rexana. So if you like my painting tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me in my Instagram to all the regular updates. In the final step, we are going to paint the grass. So we are going to add the color black for the grass, and we are going to add some details of the grass here. So I am using my flat brush, and later I am going to use my line brush, and you can also use your detailing brush or line brush to paint the leaf. We are not going to paint the much details of the leaves. We are going to add the silk coat of the leaves. So we just going to use some strokes for define the shape of the leaves. So it is a very calming and relaxing process for me, and I really love painting the leaves and grass using the color black. After 2 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful couple painting. I really like this painting, and please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. And I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.